Welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we delved into the world of Android and explored the top Android phones that are giving the new iPhone a run for its money. If you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend checking it out on the channel. Today, we're continuing our Android journey and we're here to talk about something that truly sets Android apart: its incredible versatility. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Underdog Electronics, the iPhone is a great phone. It's fast, it's reliable, and it's easy to use. And that's all true, but Android is just as good, if not better, in many ways, and it's also much more versatile. What do I mean by versatility? Well, Android is an open source operating system, which means that anyone can make phones that run it. This means that there is a huge variety of Android phones available, from budget-friendly devices to high-end flagships. And with so many different options to choose from, you're sure to find an Android phone that's perfect for your needs. Here are just a few examples of the versatility of Android. More affordable prices. Android phones come in a wider range of prices than iPhones. This means that you can find a great Android phone even if you're on a tight budget. More diverse software and features. Android phones are available in a variety of shapes and sizes, with different features and specifications. This gives you more choice to find the perfect phone for your needs. For example, you can find Android phones with expandable storage, removable batteries, and even stylus support. More choice of brands. There are hundreds of different brands that make Android phones, including Motorola, Sony, Huawei, and many more. This gives you more choices to find the perfect phone for your needs and budget. Let's start with one of the most significant aspects of Android's versatility: customization. Android allows users to tailor their experience to their liking. You can change themes, icons, widgets, and even install third-party launchers to create a personalized look and feel for your device. Motorola, Sony, and Huawei offer their unique take on Android, providing a wide range of customization options for their users. When it comes to hardware diversity, Android shines. Motorola, Sony, and Huawei, among other manufacturers, offer a wide array of devices catering to different needs and budgets. You can choose from a range of screen sizes, battery capacities, camera setups, and more. Whether you want a rugged device for outdoor adventures, a photography powerhouse, or a budget-friendly smartphone, Android has you covered. One of the aspects where Android truly outperforms the iPhone is expandable storage. Many Android devices, including those from Motorola, Sony, and Huawei, come with a micro SD card slot. This means you can easily expand your storage space for all your photos, videos, and apps without being locked into a fixed storage capacity. Android offers robust multitasking capabilities, making it ideal for productivity. You can run multiple apps simultaneously, and some Android phones even support split-screen mode. Whether you're taking notes while watching a video or responding to messages while browsing the web, Android makes it all possible. Android provides users with extensive control over their file management. You can access your device's file system, transfer files, and organize your data more freely. This is especially handy if you're a professional who needs to handle various files and documents on the go. Unlike iPhones, Android allows you to install apps from sources other than the official App Store through a process known as sideloading. This grants you access to a wider variety of apps and services. Additionally, Android's open nature encourages innovation and unique app development. Android smartphones, including those from Motorola, Sony, and Huawei, come in various price ranges, ensuring that there's an Android device for everyone. Whether you're on a tight budget or looking for a premium flagship, Android's versatility ensures that you have plenty of options to choose from. Here are some specific examples of versatile Android phones. Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. The Motorola Edge 30 Ultra is a high-end flagship phone with a sleek design, a powerful processor, and a great camera system. It also has a unique stylus that can be used for taking notes, drawing, and more. Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark V is a great phone for photographers and videographers. It has a triple lens rear camera system with variable zoom and optical image stabilization. It also has a 4K OLED display and a powerful processor. The Huawei P50 Pro. The Huawei P50 Pro is another great phone for photographers. It has a quad lens rear camera system with a variable aperture and optical image stabilization. It also has a beautiful OLED display and a long-lasting battery. So there you have it, the versatility of Android over iPhone, with a particular focus on brands like Motorola, Sony, and Huawei. While iPhones undoubtedly have their strengths, Android's diverse ecosystem offers a plethora of features and choices to suit your individual preferences and needs. If you're all about customization, hardware diversity, and a more open ecosystem, Android might be the perfect choice for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.